Hello dear friends, last period we have discussed about Sir C.V. Raman's education. He had completed his education in BA with securing a first rank and number of the prizes. After his BA, he passed his MA in physics in January 1907. After his MA, Raman decided to go to the United Kingdom for higher studies. But what happened? His health was poor. His health was not supported to him. Again, his health broke down, and so he could not go there. It was the greatest disappointment in his life. He became nervous, he became upset, and when his relatives saw his position, his condition, and then his relatives advised him to give up the science and to take the two subjects. Already you know that is the economics and the history. Again, his relatives suggested Sir C.V. Raman to take such a competitive examination in Calcutta. After that, he made up his mind, and then he took up such the two subjects, history and economics, for the competitive examination in Calcutta. Raman did so, and Raman got well with his new subjects, that is economics and the history, for the competitive examination. Then in the examination, he passed, and he was appointed Deputy Accountant General in 1907 in Calcutta. His relatives were very happy. Why? Because he got the post. He was succeeded in the competitive examination. So his relatives were very happy. But what about the Sir C.V. Raman? He was not happy. Why? Already we have discussed about his tendency, about his interest. His interest was in science. So he was not interested in the new paid or the new post, that is a Deputy Accountant General. His condition was like that. The fish condition, fish out of the water. He felt like that. His condition was like that. Fish out of that water. In his new post name is that Deputy Accountant General. He was not interested in the post. Then he was waiting for an opportunity to become a scientist. He wanted to show his great interest in science. Everything already we have discussed about the last period. Now we are going to study about the next paragraph number 4, and now here we concentrate on it. Even as a Deputy Accountant General, Raman mixed with scientists and took interest in science. One day while returning home from his office, he saw a banner outside a building on which was printed, "The Indian Association of Scientists." At the sight of the banner, Raman got off the moving train and went to meet the scientists who had gathered in that building. Sometime later, when he was in Rangoon, he learnt an institution had bought a piece of modern scientific apparatus. He hurriedly put on his clothes and went to have a look at it. Such was the interest he had in science. There is one question on it. How can we say that his interest was in science? Its answer we will get in the particular lesson or the paragraph. Yes, even as a deputy accountant general, now he became a deputy, or he got this new post, that is a deputy accountant general. Even he got such the post, he mixed with a scientist. He mixed with a scientist and took interest in science. Even he got such a new post, deputy accountant general, but the other side his interest was there. He mixed with a scientist and took interest in a science. जरी त्याला ही डेप्युटी जनरल अकाउंटची जरी पोस्ट मिळाली असली तरी त्याचा इंटरेस्ट जो होता तो त्या पोस्टमध्ये एवढा म्हणावा तसा नव्हता. त्याचा संपूर्ण जो इंटरेस्ट होता तो फक्त आणि फक्त सायन्स या फील्डमध्ये होता. Even as a deputy accountant general, Raman mixed with a scientist and took interest in science. One day what happened, you see, one day while returning from his office, one day what happened, he returned from his office. He saw a banner. He saw a banner outside a building on which was printed the Indian Associations of Scientists. When he returned to his returned from his office to his home, he saw one banner. He saw one banner, and on that the banner, one message or one that is the letters are printed on that the banner. What are the letters? Letters are given in a capital letter. You concentrate on it. One banner was there. He saw one banner, and on that the banner, some letters are printed on it. What are the letters? You see, that is the Indian Association of Scientists. Indian Association of the Scientists. Such are the letters or the message was printed on that the banner. At the side of the banner, at the site means S-I-G-S-T, not S-I-T-E. Yes, the two words are here. We concentrate on that. That is a site and site. Site means both are homophone. Both are, that is a homophone. What is a homophone? Already we know that. What is the meaning of the homophone, or what is the definition of the homophone? Same pronunciation, but its meaning, spellings and origins are different. It is known as, that is a homophone. Site and site. Site, S-I-G-S-T. Site means that is a scene. And S-I-T, site means that is a place. S-I-G-S-T, site म्हणजे दृश्य, आणि S-I-T-E, site म्हणजे जागा. And both words are known as, that is a homophone. Now we turn to, yes, now here he saw a banner outside a building on which was the printed such the letters, that is the Indian Association of the Scientists. At the sight of that banner, Raman got off the moving train and went to meet the scientists who had gathered in that the building. Yes, after that what happened? Raman got up. Got up means that is to catch or caught. Yes, now it's past is that is a caught. C-A-U-G-S-T, caught. Means, yes, Raman got off the moving train and here went to meet the scientists. And तात्काळ एक ट्रेन पकडली आणि त्या ट्रेनमधून या बिल्डिंगकडे, जिथं त्या बिल्डिंगमध्ये जिथं हे सायंटिस्ट एकत्र झाले होते तिथं तो त्यांना भेटायला हा सर सी.व्ही. रमन गेला होता. Yes, Raman got off the moving train and went to meet the scientists who had gathered in that the building. In that the building here. Some time later. Later means after. त्याच्यानंतर. Some time later, when he was in Rangoon, त्याच्यानंतर तो ज्यावेळेला रंगून या ठिकाणी गेला होता तिथं काय झालेलं आहे. When he was in Rangoon, he learned that he means who? Sir C.V. Raman. When he learned that, or Sir C.V. Raman learned that an institution had bought a piece of modern scientific apparatus. Scientific apparatus means that is the equipments, scientific equipments. That is the equipment. Apparatus means that is the equipment. Equipment म्हणजे साधनं. विज्ञानामध्ये जी वापरली जातात इक्विपमेंट्स किंवा साधनं म्हणतो ती. When he was a Rangoon, he learned that the institution had bought. The past tense of buy, B-U-Y, buy means विकत घेणे. त्याचा past bought हा होतो. When here he learned that institution had bought a piece of a modern scientific apparatus, means such as the one institutions, scientific institutions bought or purchased some scientific apparatus. And then the year, he hurriedly put on his clothes and went to have a look at it. आणि त्याच्या लक्षात ज्यावेळेला हा रंगून या ठिकाणी होता त्यावेळेला त्याच्या लक्षात आलं की तेथील एका सायंटिफिक इन्स्टिट्यूशन किंवा संस्थेनं म्हणतो या संस्थेनं काय केलं होतं ते सायंटिफिक ॲपॅरेटस खरेदी केली होती आणि ती सायंटिफिक ॲपॅरेटस किंवा साधनं म्हणतो ही साधनं तो पाहिला पटकन तो तिकडं गेलेला होता. ही हरिडली पुट ऑन हिज क्लॉथ. पुट ऑन मीन्स पुट ऑन. अनदर वर्ड आय विल पुट हियर दॅट इज अ पुट ऑन. Put on means that is a wear. Wear means that is a paridhan karne. Yes. Put on is a phrasal verb. Put on is a phrasal verb. What is the meaning of phrasal verb? Put on. The meaning of the phrasal verb is that to wear. Wear means paridhan karne. He hurriedly put on his clothes and went to have a look at it. At it. It means what? At it. It means what? IT, not EAT. Yes. Look at it means that is a scientific apparatus, scientific equipment. And now here, you see, such was the interest he had in a science. Such things, such an example shows us he had in science. His interest was in science. His interest was in science. Such the example shows us. And now here we turn to that the next paragraph. You see, next paragraph. Paragraph number 5. In 1911, Raman was appointed special accountant general for post and telegraphs in Calcutta. But when he was offered the post of professor at Calcutta University, he jumped at that the offer and accepted the post gladly. After working at Calcutta University for 15 years, he became the director of Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru. The Raman Research Institute was started in 1948. Raman resigned his post at the Indian Institution of Science and became a director of Research Institute. Here he conducted his research in physics until his death. Until his death. In 1911, 1911 ला काय झालं? In 1911, Raman was appointed special accountant general for the post and telegraphs in Calcutta. And what happened? It was a promotion, we said that. Promotion, appointed, new. Yes, he got a new post. First post he got, that is a deputy accountant general. After that, in 1911, he got a new post. That is a special accountant general. Maybe it was his promotion. Yes. Yes, in 1911, Raman was appointed, that is a special accountant general for post and telegraphs in Calcutta. And जे पोस्ट खाता किंवा ते जे टेलिग्राफ खाता आहे, या टेलिग्राफ खात्यामध्ये त्याला नवीन अशी बढती मिळाली किंवा नवीन अशी एक अपॉइंटमेंट किंवा पोस्ट मिळाली. ती पोस्ट मीन्स दॅट इज अ स्पेशल अकाउंटंट जनरल. आणि या स्पेशल अकाउंटंटच्या जनरलच्या अगोदर त्याची जी पोस्ट होती ते डेप्युटी अकाउंटंट जनरल. But now he got that is a special accountant general in 1911 for the post and graphs in Calcutta. But when he was offered the post of professor at the Calcutta University, he jumped at that offer and accepted the post gladly. But what happened? But it's a very danger. Very danger. One side he got new post, special accountant general, but the other side what happened? एक साइडला त्याला ही नवीनच पोस्ट मिळाले, पण दुसऱ्या साइडला एक वेगळं घडलं, ते वेगळं. यू सी, when he was offered the post of professor at the Calcutta University, ज्या वेळेला या कलकत्ता युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये ज्या वेळेला प्रोफेसरची नोकरी ज्या वेळेला मिळाली किंवा ऑफर आली, त्याच वेळेला सर सी व्ही रमन काय केलं होतं? एक साइडला तरी इकडं स्पेशल अकाउंटंट जनरलची पोस्ट मिळाली आहे, दुसऱ्या साइडला नवीन ऑफर आलेली आहे, ती म्हणजे प्रोफेसरशिपची. Yes, now here when he was offered the post of professor at Calcutta University, he jumped at that offer. He jumped at that offer. Means he accepted the offer. Which offer? That is a professor at Calcutta University. कलकत्ता विद्यापीठामध्ये प्रोफेसरची ही पदवी, प्रोफेसरचा जॉब म्हणतो किंवा ऑफर म्हणतो, हा त्याला मिळालेला होता. He jumped at that offer and accepted the post gladly after working at Calcutta University. Now he resigned to the post special accountant general. त्याचा राजीनामा दिला आणि इकडं ही नवीन प्रोफेसरशिपची किंवा प्रोफेसर म्हणून नवीन ऑफर जी आली होती ती त्याने ॲक्सेप्ट केली. नाव वाय? बिकॉज हिज इंटरेस्ट वॉज इन सायन्स. द रिझन वॉज दॅट. He jumped at that offer and accepted the post gladly. Gladly means that is happily. आणि आनंदानं ती पोस्ट स्वीकारली. याचा अर्थ हे स्पेशल अकाउंटंट जनरलचा राजीनामा दिलेला आहे. Yes, so here. After working at now he became that is a professor at Calcutta University. We try to understand. Yes, now here after working at Calcutta University, he was working there. There means where? At Calcutta University as a professor. As a professor. After working at Calcutta University, how many years he worked there? 15 years. 15 years. 15 वर्ष प्रोफेसर म्हणून त्यानं त्या कलकत्ता युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये त्यानं काम केलेलं होतं. After working at Calcutta University for 15 years, he became, after that, he became the director of Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru. After that, after working as a professor at Calcutta University, how many years? 15 years. After that, he became a director. He became a director of the Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru. Just after that, another post he got. Raman Research Institute was started in 1948. Yes, this line is a very important part. Yes, Raman Research Institute was started in 1948. 1948. Raman resigned his post at the Indian Institute of Science and became a director of that research institute. Again here, he resigned to that the post Indian Institute. Now before that he became a director of the Indian Institute of that the Science in Bengaluru. That post he resigned. ती सुद्धा पोस्ट त्यानं काय केली? रिझाईन. कारण डायरेक्टर म्हणून त्याला त्या इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये सायन्स इन बेंगलुरूमधल्या त्या इन्स्टिट्यूटचा डायरेक्टर म्हणून काम मिळालं होतं किंवा जी काय पोस्ट होती ती मिळाली होती. तिथंही त्या पोस्टचा काय केला? त्यानं राजीनामा दिला आणि लगेच दुसरी पोस्ट परत मिळाली होती, ती म्हणजे रिसर्च इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये एक डायरेक्टरशिपची परत पदवी मिळाली होती किंवा एक जे पद म्हणतो ते पद मिळालेलं होतं. ही रिझाईन इज अ पोस्ट इन इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ सायन्स अँड बिकेम अ डायरेक्टर ऑफ अ रिसर्च इन्स्टिट्यूट, दॅट इज अ रामन रिसर्च इन्स्टिट्यूट. Here he conducted his research in physics. His interest was in physics. Physics means which subject? That is a Bhautik Shastra. Physics means Bhautik Shastra. You recite the word that is physics. What is the spelling of the physics? P-H-Y-S-I-C-S. That is a physics. Here he conducted his research in physics until his death. आणि मरेपर्यंत त्यानं त्या एकाच इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये त्यानं काम केलं होतं आणि रिसर्च केलं होतं. आणि तो कोणता सब्जेक्ट होता? तो म्हणजे भौतिकशास्त्र. त्याला आपण इंग्रजी म्हणतो आपण, येस, त्याला फिजिक्स असं म्हणतो. येस, this is a very important here. Here he conducted his research in physics until his death. After that, we see Raman was a great scientist. Throughout his life, he was intensely attached to science. For the sake of science, he gave up the highly paid post of the Special Accountant General and accepted professorship at Calcutta University. He would forget all about the food and rest while he was at work. His wife had often to tell him that his breakfast or coffee was getting cold. Like all the great scientists, Raman had a lot of curiosity earlier in his life. While on a voyage to Europe, he saw the wonderful blue of the Mediterranean Sea. This led to his work on the laws of light scattering in liquids and it ended in his discovery of Raman effect. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for this in 1930. Raman was a great scientist. Already you know that Sir C.V. Raman was a great scientist. Throughout his life, entire his life, from birth to up to, yes, throughout his life, entire life, he was intensely attached to the science. There was a good attachment between the science and Sir C.V. Raman. अतिशय जवळीकीचा सहसंबंध दोघांमध्ये तयार झाला होता, तो म्हणजे सायन्स आणि सर C.V. रमन. Throughout his life he was intensely attached to science for the sake of science. फक्त सायन्स साठी त्याने काय केलेलं आहे? He gave up the highly paid post of the special accountant general and accepted a professorship at Calcutta University. आणि फक्त त्या सायन्स साठी त्यानं हायली पेड पोस्ट, मोठ्या पगाराची नोकरी त्यानं सोडून दिली. ती नोकरी होती स्पेशल अकाउंटंट जनरल म्हणून नोकरी होती. त्या नोकरीचा त्यानं त्याग केला आणि कोणती नोकरी स्वीकारली? दॅट इज अ प्रोफेसरशिप ॲट कलकत्ता युनिव्हर्सिटी. यू सी, हिज इंटरेस्ट वॉज इन सायन्स. Yes, his interest was the science here. He would forget all about the food and the rest while he was at work. His wife had often to tell him that his breakfast or coffee was getting cold. Sir C.V. Raman एवढा एंगेज असायचा की तो आपल्या कामामध्ये अतिशय व्यस्त असायचा की जरी त्याच्या वाईफनं जरी फूड किंवा ब्रेकफास्ट जरी दिला तर त्याला त्याची पर्वा नसायची. तो कधी ब्रेकफास्ट किंवा जे कॉफी असेल ती कॉफी कधी कोल्ड व्हायची. ही वुड फॉरगेट ऑल अबाउट द फूड अँड रेस्ट while he was at work. His wife had often to tell him that his breakfast and the coffee was getting cold. Like all great scientists, Raman had a lot of the curiosity. Yes, here like other scientists, he had also lot of the curiosity. Curiosity means the eager for knowledge or eagerness. We said that the curiosity means that is a eagerness. Means in Marathi we say that is a जिज्ञासा. आणि ही जिज्ञासा आपल्याकडेही असली पाहिजेत आणि ती आपण स्वतःहून डेव्हलप केली पाहिजेत. Yes, why? Because you are maker of your life, you are designer of your life, you are architect of your life, you are developer of your life, and so that's why you should create or you should develop the curiosity. Like all great scientists, Raman had a lot of the curiosity. Earlier in his life, while on a voyage to Europe, he saw the wonderful blue of Mediterranean, the sea. This led to his work on the law of light scattering in liquids, and it ended in his discovery of the Raman effect. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for this in 1930. Yes, now here earlier in his life, while on voyage means that is a sea traveling. Voyage means sea traveling. Sea traveling means आपण समुद्र मार्गे प्रवास करणे, त्याला आपण voyage असं म्हणतो, sea voyage असं म्हणतो. While on a voyage to Europe, yes, maybe he decided to go to the Europe by that is a ship or by the sea voyage. Yes, and then the year, while on a sea voyage to Europe, he saw wonderful blue of a Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea means that is a name of the sea. आणि जो मेडिटरेनियन सी जो होता त्या सी मधून या म्हणजे जहाजाच्या माध्यमातून तो हा सी व्हॉयेज प्रवास करत असताना त्यावेळेला त्याला लक्षात आलं की हा समुद्र हा निळ्या रंगाचा दिसतोय. हे त्याच्या लक्षात आलं. हा निळ्या रंगाचं का, याचं काय कारण काय, अशा पद्धतीची एक जिज्ञासा त्याच्या मनामध्ये निर्माण झाली. Yes, while on a voyage to Europe, he saw the wonderful blue of the Mediterranean the sea. This led to his work on the laws of scattering of light scattering in liquids, and it ended in his discovery of a Raman effect. Yes, now here we know that, yes, this led to his work, his research was after that, yes, his thinking was going on, his research was going on that the fact was that, or about that why such a sea was blue. Why such the sea was blue, look like that is a blue. Yes, after that his research was going on. Yes, his work on the laws of light scattering in liquids, and that is a light scattering. Yes, already we know that such a research, it is known as that is a Raman effect afterwards. Yes, his work on the laws of light scattering in liquids, and it ended in his discovery of a Raman effect. So Raman, that is इफेक्ट. आपल्याला जो सायन्समध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं की प्रकाशाचं परावर्तन म्हणतो, हे जे परावर्तन आहे ते परावर्तन झाल्यामुळं तो समुद्र हा निळा दिसतो, आणि म्हणून लॉ ऑफ स्कॅटरिंग किंवा आपण द लाईट स्कॅटरिंग असं म्हणतो, ती ही कन्सेप्ट म्हणजे त्याच्यानंतर रामन इफेक्ट या नावानं ओळखली जाऊ लागली. Yes, now this led to his work on the laws of light scattering in liquids. It ended in his discovery of the Raman effect. He was awarded. Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the prestigious award in the world, that is a Nobel Prize, for his research, for his innovation. The innovation was a Raman effect. Raman effect, or it is known as that is a light scattering or scattering of light. Such the search or such the innovation, for that innovation he got, or he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930. And it is our the contributions of Sir C.V. Raman to that the science field. Afterwards we will see the next parts. Thank you very much.